In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp. This is going to be a full beginner's guide. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by opening up WhatsApp and you need to tap agree and continue, and you just enter in your phone number and verify it with a code that WhatsApp will send you. And then from here, you can either choose to allow contact access so that WhatsApp can show all of your friends already using the app or not. And then you set up your profile just by adding a name and a profile picture. All of this is already done for me. I already have that done. It's in my settings right here. To send a message, you use the Chats tab just like so. So go over to the Chats tab and then select the new chat button up in the top right. Once you open this up, you're going to see a bunch of different people. You can hit new contact, you can use a contact that's already on WhatsApp, or you can go through your current contacts as well. It'll send them a message prompting them to join WhatsApp. In this case, let's go ahead and say we're just going to message ourselves real quickly as an example, but choose a contact, type in your message, hit send. You can also send photos, videos, voice messages, and make voice or video calls from the chat itself. In the bottom, you'll also see sections like updates, calls, communities, chats, and settings. In settings on the main screen, you can actually just go ahead and adjust a bunch of different stuff like privacy options, like when you were last seen online, online status, and read receipts. You can also go to chats and turn on chat backup in your settings as well to back up all of your chats to either iCloud or Google Drive. But that is the basic way to set up and use WhatsApp. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.